Well, the trade between Ireland and Japan is 21 billion. It's growing significantly year by year. The balance is very much in favour of Ireland. In other words, we're selling far more to Japan than Japan selling into the Irish market. You have to look at it in that context. And the relationship with Japan is one that has to be one that shows commitment. I mean, when I met with Prime Minister Kishida 3 years ago, we signed a joint statement of understanding, and part of that was our participation in Expo. And we have to show a commitment which is deep and long-lasting. And most people who are familiar with the culture in Japan, the culture in Japan and around this part of the world, stress the importance of relationship. That it's not just you come in and you sell your goods and head off again, or you take their investment and not respond by showing commitment. And by participating in Expo, I think we're making it very clear to the Japanese people and government that we're here for the long haul with Japan, and the relationship is one that we are very committed to. We've been participating in Expos for quite many years now, and the international profile it gives to our companies and the boost it can give in a particular market is significant.